Let's be real here. How you gonna cancel
I understand
mine?
you got pissed off with spitting on somebody.
I mean, I couldn't do nothing else, and she kept laughing in my face, so she wanted me to do something.
Track star! Yay! Jesus! Yay! Run it back!
Did you see my license right
Oh! Don Julio make you Acapulco!
Don Julio make you Acapulco.
Hello, hey, you talking about how you lady? Hey, we on the same type of timery.
Yo, what's poppin', GE gang? We are back with another banger reaction video. This is gonna be the last video of the night, baby. I'm getting y'all videos ready for a Saturday. You feel me? This is for my people that's gonna wake up on a Saturday or come home from work Saturday. These videos are for you, okay? We up late night working, okay? That's what we do for a living, okay? We grind, we hustle, we get shit done, we live, laugh, love. We just have a great time. You guys make it so easy for me, and I appreciate you guys for that more than you'll ever know, okay? Yeah, with that being said, we're about to tap into a video entitled Influencer Thinks She's Untouchable. Instant karma. I can't stand influencers, okay? You're not above the law, just like police officers not above the law. You know what I'm saying? Listen, make your money, baby, and go home. There's plenty of people out here making money. That gives you no entitlement to nothing, to be honest with you. You know what I'm saying? What are you entitled about? Probably using the title, I'm an influencer. What the fuck does that mean? I'm a YouTuber. What the fuck does that mean? Nothing. You're a human being just like everybody else. I'm the president. So what? You fucked up, you go. Bro, chill. It looked like she got 601,000 followers. Okay, you got some motion, but baby, so what? And this look like it's TikTok. Who cares? Fuck. Anyway, we're gonna tap into the video, man. Before we get down, we gotta make sure our meepers are correct and right, okay? Baby's an influencer. Now she's about to be influenced on my channel, okay? I'm about to use you on my social to make some money off of you. You silly. That's what Cat Williams said. You silly. You know what I'm saying? With your shower cap on, with your bonnet on, in the airport. Look, you at the airport with the bonnet on, and you are an influencer. That means you got some pretty good money with 600,000 out. But think, why you got a bonnet? I don't know. Anyway, get down in the comment section, man. 1 through 10. Let me know how you doing mentally, emotionally, energetically, physically, psychologically, and most importantly, spiritually. We're going to forever check on our people's meeperies because the videos that we be watching, people's meeperies are spiraled out of control, baby. We're going to make sure we always and forever okay. And we're gonna continue to do this, okay? We never going to end up on that side of the camera, ever. Influencer, who gives a fuck?
Social media influencer Yvette Campbell, known online as Yvette Baby, confronted airline employees at the Tampa International Airport. This entitled TikToker thought she was untouchable, but karma flipped the camera, and she was now the star of her own police body cam video.
What's going on, guys?
Baby, right there, she popped right up.
I'm here to help you.
He trying to tell them that like we paid.
She got 603,000.
They trying to tell us we didn't. So they said she was like the girl. She was like, oh, y'all acting like $104 is that much. I'm like, I could pay that $104. Sorry, I'm just so mad. So I paid $104, right? I was not even really arguing with her, right? So at all. So she can't. She only canceled my ticket, only my ticket, and kept them to, right? So now we go upstairs. She was like, oh, we'll see what happened when you go upstairs. I'm like, what is that supposed to mean? And now we come up here and my ticket get canceled, and she tell me, oh, I gotta go to her. You know exactly what you did. Why would you tell me to go to her if you know you canceled my ticket?
We'll get it worked out.
After now they all want to act all delusional. She want to act delusional like she ain't know what she just did to my ticket. Like I was arguing with her. She wanted that reaction out of me.
Let me see what I can do to help you guys out.
Nothing, just a refund.
Okay, just get your ID.
And
they was down there too.
Okay. She spit on 2 people.
Okay.
I didn't spit on 2 people.
Ooh.
It was one person.
Who'd you spit on?
I
spit on somebody though.
I spit on the girl that did that to my ticket. So. The one in the dreads. I spit on. I did.
Girl, do you know that's... Bro. I didn't spit on 2 people. I just spit on 1 person. Keep your nasty fluids in your motherfucking mouth. What are you talking? You're right. That's not a downgrade, baby. You're not downgrading what you just did. You still spit on somebody. Or some people say spat on somebody. You spat out for for what she did to your ticket? So she didn't touch you. She did something to your ticket, and you put fluids on her. You don't need to be nobody's influence. I hope you're not influencing no fucking body. To be honest.
I was
and who is this? What are you looking like, sir?
My ticket, like I was arguing with her. That's not fair. Let's be real here. How you gonna cancel mine?
I understand you got pissed off, but spitting on somebody.
I mean, I couldn't do nothing else, and she kept laughing in my face, so she wanted me to do something.
You call somebody for help. You call
hit her? You want me to hit her? Was she laughing in my face like it's a joke? It's not
on her
funny.
is the same as hitting her.
Right.
To be honest with you, it's still battery. So let me see what we can get worked out, okay? Just relax.
As officers gathered statements from the airline employees, the situation shifted from conflicting stories to a straightforward battery investigation.
All right, so who got spit on? You get your cider.
Yeah, I'm just respecting.
Hold it, right?
You have to take
What else was I supposed to do?
Cider number, yeah, I got you.
Emotional wreck is what you are.
Got spit on.
Big time.
They canceled her ticket because they were angry about the difference in price and the ticket in the luggage.
We unchecked her. Malaysia, the girl at the ticket counter.
And you guys canceled her. The two guys can go.
We unchecked her.
What does that mean?
Her ticket is still there. She's just not checked in to board.
Okay. Yeah, with the bonnet on her head.
You're the one that got spit on?
Yeah.
You want to press charge?
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
This is her?
Yeah, that's her. I already put her in. They're checking her now and everything.
Yvette,
Yes.
you spit on that
Yes, I did.
worker?
Yep.
You think that's just nothing, huh?
Under arrest.
Okay. Okay.
Set your stuff down for me. Put your hands behind your back.
Now you're not
Spitting
going
on
nowhere but to
somebody is
jail.
a battery, considered a battery, so it's going to be a simple battery. It's a misdemeanor charge. All right, she's going to be arrested. We might give her a notice. Do you live in Tampa here? Or?
No, I live in New York.
Okay, you're going to have to take a ride to jail.
Ride to jail?
And you'll be able to bond out. And then maybe if he...
Usually bonds usually like $500. It's usually $50 and a bail bondsman or whatever. I mean, we got no leeway on this.
You know how long the whole process is going to be?
A couple hours. She'll be booked in a couple hours, and then she'll be able to do something later this afternoon, more than likely. But she'll have a bond as soon as she gets there. But the thing is, she has to go to the Orient Road Jail. She'll have to be processed, so that's an hour or two probably. Okay.
Despite admitting what happened, Yvette continued defending her behavior even as officers placed her under arrest.
I don't care. I'd do it again.
Stupid.
I'd do it again. It's not cute, but you acting like it. I don't care. She asked for it.
How long did she get help for it?
It's usually a couple hours. She'll be able to bond out. Her bond, it's just a misdemeanor.
Yeah. It's okay. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't a criminal.
Hey, before we go anywhere, make sure you got nothing you ain't supposed to have before we go anywhere.
All I have is my phone.
No, listen to me. I'm telling you that now because you get down there, there's into a felony like that.
Yeah,
It don't matter. Just little tiny things. Just think about it before we take you over there, okay?
Really don't got nothing, no, but.
Okay.
Hey, you want to take this stuff? Because that's to the.
You keep your charger.
I know, my charger, yeah. But back in like that.
They all look like they just rolled out of bed, like literally.
What do you got?
My phone. It's just in that pocket.
Your phone, you want it to go with you.
Yes.
Yeah. And he's got your ID, so you got everything you need.
Okay.
All right?
Hey, did I have this?
Yeah.
What's wrong with you?
I'll be on a couple hours. I'll be back.
Hey, everything you're saying is going to be seen by a judge, so
Oh, shoot.
Relax.
I'm sorry.
I know you're pissed off,
Stupid.
but just relax,
Goofy.
because you just make it worse, okay?
Goofy.
Hey, can you take
I'm gonna
my
tell you,
bonnet? I don't look
childish.
pretty for my pictures.
You want it off? You sure?
Yeah. Oh, this is so embarrassing. Like, why do I have to have cuffs on?
Girl, shut the fuck up. How old are you? Hold on, bro. This is pissing me off. This entitlement over. You don't need to be nobody's influencer. Let me check her shit. I'm gonna check her views. She got 603,000 followers. She got 603,000 followers, but yet her videos are only getting 500 likes, 1,000 likes, 900 likes, 1,200 likes, 9,000 likes, 1,000 likes, 1,000, 6,000, 1,400, 6,000, 6,000. Man, she got one to hit 30,000, then the rest of them was 1,200, 2,000, 900. You got 600,000 followers, and it's probably because people saw this video and saw how nasty you are, you goofy. If you were an influencer, do you know you can be canceled just like that? You see, motherfucker. Listen, do you see people that are real, like artists, like, you know what I'm saying, like rappers and movie stars get canceled? You're just a fucking influencer, baby. You got 600,000, your video's only getting like 1,000 likes. It's a business, you goofy. You ruined your own business. And the fact you're acting a child, like you probably are only like 20, but you acting like you're a fucking 12-year-old.
Wait, you have my ID? Oh.
Yeah,
The tone of the encounter shifted once Yvette began worrying less about the arrest and more about who might post the footage online.
Not gonna look at you, people.
just whatever. You don't spit in. I know you're pissed off, but just chill. You'll be all right. Just a misdemeanor. It's not a big deal.
Yeah. I ain't seen that. If it was something crazy,
if there was something I could help you with and I could just give you a ticket and you go do whatever, I would, but our hands are tied with stuff like this, especially when they say they want to prosecute.
I already knew that she was going to say that. She knows exactly what she was doing. And I was dumb enough to go with it. It happens.
But in the future, so you know, spitting on somebody is the same thing as punching somebody's lights out. It's the same thing. It's the same charge. It's still a misdemeanor.
I'm an influencer, and a lot of people know me. So, like, you think I can put my hoodie on?
No, I know.
No. Okay. What if they take a video of me and put it on TikTok?
Well, hopefully they don't.
Then you're gonna be your influencer, right?
I don't.
No expectation of privacy in public, goofy.
I spend way too much time on TikTok.
I became a changed person, and I can't believe I did that.
Shut up.
You know, everybody's got a breaking point. I understand you were pissed off about the price change and all that stuff back and forth.
What?
I got you. This is silly, right?
It is.
Where are you guys heading back to? You heading back to New York? Okay. What were you guys here for?
Their
Vacation?
family.
Oh, okay.
And when his mom find out this happened, she gonna be like,
Yeah, let
Is
that
there
girl
somebody you
go.
wanna call
Let
right
that girl
now?
go. Let her
Who you
go.
wanna call? All right. Did FaceTime. You must have FaceTimed her.
yeah, if I did FaceTime her before, but recently. Oh shoot, I just peeped at 6 o'clock in the morning. Oh my gosh. She is not answering. Okay, it's fine then.
You good?
Yeah.
Where am I walking to? Walking to the wrong damn place. Place is like a maze.
It's my first time going to jail.
I know, I'm walking around like Rain Man. Here he is.
I went up to the gate to meet you.
Oh, okay. Yvette's been all right. She knows she did a silly thing.
Yeah, real dumb.
All right.
It's okay though.
It happened, she knows. So you said you're an influencer. You know what this is going to do? Influence
get
people,
on
don't
my-
spit on people, right?
It's gonna get on my record too.
It's a misdemeanor. I mean, you can get it expunged or whatever, but it shows you get arrested. It shows you got arrested for a misdemeanor, yeah.
Of course, they gotta say from an airport.
You're at the airport. What would it say somewhere else?
All right, Trouble, good luck.
Okay. Wait, what about my phone?
Ride back or?
Yeah, I'll ride with you.
Yvette was taken into custody and transported to the Orient Road Jail after the airport confrontation. She later faced one misdemeanor charge after investigators concluded the dispute had escalated into a criminal offense inside the terminal. Officers finalized the case using witness statements and body camera footage gathered at the airport. In the aftermath of the arrest, Yvette later spoke publicly about the confrontation through videos shared on her TikTok account after footage from the airport incident gained attention online.
Yeah, I was just like really heated, like in the moment when I really sat here and tried my best to de-escalate the situation before it even became a situation, and you took it upon yourself to do all that stuff that you did. I don't want no warrants out for my arrest. I don't got time for none of that. Like, I live in New York. I'm not from Tampa, Florida. I'm not from there. So I'm not about to sit there and run where? No, I'm standing right here and I'm standing my ground because there's no need to lie. Like, I know I'm wrong for spitting, but I'm standing right here and waiting for the cops. So, like, I'm going to explain my side, and they didn't even care about my side for real. Like,
and any unwanted touching is illegal. It's a battery.
Shut
It's
up.
just
The fact that you still don't want to take no accountability, you try to blame everything on somebody unchecking your goddamn ticket. They didn't cancel your ticket, goofy. And if it was over $104, you online making money, right? What are you crying about? You must not be making no real money, especially with 1,000 likes. You goofy as hell. Now guess what? Now we're revisiting this shit as a body cam footage, goofy. So now you online explaining yourself. So now we're doing a video again for anybody that didn't know who you were. How's that feel, influencer? Like, give a fuck about no influencer. Get online, make your money, and get the fuck out of there. Get online, build your community, and have fun with your community, and laugh and love. You look goofy as hell. I look goofy as hell. I go spit on somebody, and I'm talking all this positive shit, and you know that'd be like I'm just getting online being somebody I'm not. Like, I get online, not one person, and then behind closed doors, I'm a whole fucking demon. Man, type down in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think about these influencers and YouTubers and content creators trying to use it like it's some. It's like a rapper getting put up for doing 150 and tell people, you know who I am? I'm going, fuck who you are. You just reckless driving. You're going to jail, car getting towed. I don't care. I can't stand people that use that title. I'm a police officer. So what, sir? You're going to jail. Man, man, give me your opinion on this. I want to know. Yeah, I know you guys can't stand this influencer. I know y'all can't stand it, especially motherfuckers get on beg and act like they got it like that, but crying over $104, then spitting on people, and then turn around and make it like it was a lady's fault that you spit on her. That girl didn't touch you. She's doing her job, and you spit on her. Shut the fuck up, bro. Get down in the comment section, man. Let's talk about y'all. Make me not even want to do what I do. I'm glad I'm not you. I'm glad I'm me. I know you wish you was me, so you can meet somebody like me. If that makes sense. I don't know, man. I'm just catch you guys in the next video. It's your boy Food Drink. I'm out this motherfucker. Before we get out of here, make sure you come on Twitch tonight. Or not Twitch. Yeah, make sure if you haven't downloaded Twitch, go download Twitch and come on live with us tonight, 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. That's 9 o'clock for my East Coast people. We're gonna be on for a couple hours. We're gonna have fun. We're gonna roast more influencers. Whatever we're gonna do, we're gonna have fun doing it. We're gonna laugh and love, and that's just what it is. Yo, sorry for the interruption, but I gotta let my people know about the hottest new t-shirts we just dropped on the website. Starting with this one, okay? Anybody come up to you and ask you or say, you know what, I heard such and such about you. Tell them, put a condom in your ear and fuck what you heard. Come talk to me. Ask me, did I say that? Come to the source. You feel me? You hit them with this shirt right here. Universal saying. It goes with everything. Fuck what you heard. Come talk to me personally, okay? This is one of the best sellers. We already sold out in 3 different sizes. 5X, 4X, and extra small. So make sure you tap into that one. I'm going to show you guys another one real quick. I love me some me. You got to love you some me, right? It's 2026. You have to love you some you because there's too many people out here playing with you, right? There's too many people out here playing with your love, playing with the person that you are. You know what I'm saying? Taking advantage of your love and the good person and good-hearted person you are. You got to love you, and I love me some me, okay? Those are only 2 of the shirts, but make sure you tap into the website. It's going to be in the first pinned comment. Now, back to the video.